Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to set up branch scheme group wise sale defaults. To begin, navigate to the main menu, then go to the Setup module. Under this, open the Setup Branches menu and click to open Setup Branch Wise Master Groups window. Now move to the Scheme Groups tab to define your scheme groups. First, choose the scheme group type and then define the branch scheme group accordingly. After entering the required details, save the changes and close the window. Next, go to the Set Other Items Details menu and open Setup Branch Scheme Group Wise Sale Item Defaults. Select the group name from the drop-down and choose the items, then click on Refresh. You will see various discount defaults available for sales. You can define these individually by pressing the space key for each item, or you can apply the same values to all items at once by pressing F2 in the column. Once done, save the changes. You also have the option to define these defaults through Excel. Simply click on Retrieve through Excel option. You can use Help to check which columns are required for importing the defaults. Choose the group name from the drop-down. Browse and select your file from the device, choose the correct sheet, and click Refresh. The system will import the defaults for all items listed in the Excel sheet. After verifying, save the changes. Now, open the Setup Branches window. Here, you will find the Scheme Group column. Assign the appropriate scheme group to a branch by selecting it from the drop-down, and then save the changes. Currently, we are logged into the head office branch, so let's first verify the setup here. Initiate a new transaction. While saving the voucher, the software will display the available schemes. The scheme will be applied specifically to this branch only. Now, let's log into another branch and create a sale bill there as well to check how the scheme behaves in a different branch. Now, let's transact the same item that we used in the head office branch. As you can see, the system does not display any scheme because the scheme group we created was assigned only to the head office branch. Now, let's transact an item for which we have defined and allocated a scheme group specifically to this branch. As you can see, the system displays the scheme while saving the bill with ATD of 40%. If the TD column is not visible, you can enable it from the Setup Column Attributes option.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.